Hello everybody, so I am standing in front of my office and this video is about the 90 days fitness challenge that we are starting at V-Roots day after tomorrow, that is the 18th of January. So before going into the further details about this 90 days fitness challenge, let me just confess about something. For the last around 1.5 months, I had been out of fitness, I had been out of the exercise patterns, out of workouts and things like that, and that has affected me. I started to feel sleepy by around 10:30 p.m. and I wake up late by around 7:30 in the morning, and I believe that that's not good. So I have to come back from that, and I have to get back in action, and I have to come back to my normal routine when it comes to exercise, diet, whatever it is. I have to come back to that normal routine. So about this 90 days fitness challenge, we are just going to have a word with Dr. Biju KS, who is our senior medical officer. He's inside the office, so we'll just have a word with him to know about this. Okay, so hi doctor.
Hello.
Yes, so doctor, I was just we were just doing a video highlighting the 90 days fitness challenge that we are starting day after tomorrow.
Okay.
So I also decided to be part of this because, as you would be knowing, for the last 1.5 months I had been out of this exercise and all.
Okay.
So I have decided to be part of this. So by seeing me and okay, let me just tell you, my weight is around 65 kg.
Okay.
And my height is about 166, 167.
Okay.
So, and you can see me how I am. So with what you see in me, what do you think that I should be doing in this 90 days fitness challenge?
Okay. See, as a doctor, I can say that when I calculate your BMI, since your weight is 65 and your height is 166 centimeter, it will come around some 23 to 24. Okay. Normal BMI comes from 18.5 to 24.9. So you are absolutely normal when it comes to BMI. So in your case, I can say a better metric, a better parameter, that is body fat percentage. Body fat percentage means the total body fat constituted in your body. Okay. So for example, if you have 65 kilo, how much percentage of fat is possessed by your body in that 65 kilo? So by roughly examining, by roughly seeing you, I can say that your body fat percentage will come around some 22 to 25.
25%.
Yeah, 25%. That means in this 65 kilo, 1/4 of this weight will be constituted by fat alone.
You mean around 15 kg?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Interesting.
So, as I said, the better metric is body fat percentage. You can reduce that body fat percentage from your body.
Okay.
Say for example, since your body fat percentage is around 25, you can reduce it to 15%.
Okay.
That means you need to reduce around 5 kilogram of fat.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah, of course. You will look very sick, very thin and emaciated.
Yeah.
So what you can do is, you can increase your muscle tissue, muscle weight, and increase your bone weight.
Okay.
Technically, we call it as body recomposition. That means you are recomposing the body's constituents. That means body is constituted by fat, muscle tissue, bone tissue, fluids, etc. So, what in body recomposition, we are trying to improve the muscle tissue, muscle percentage. We are trying to improve the bone weight. At the same time, you can reduce the fat percentage.
Okay.
That means you can maintain that 65 kilogram throughout, but you can reduce your fat tissue.
Okay.
For that, you have to increase your muscle tissue, increase your bone tissues.
Okay.
This is possible. You can take it as a challenge.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so this 90 days is going to be really exciting for me as well as all of you guys, because there's going to be an exclusive, I wouldn't say exclusive, it's open to all, but then we would be looking at all those V partners out there who's taking part in this 90 days fitness challenge. So thank you so much, doctor, for your time. You can get back to your work.
Okay,
All right. So yeah, thank you so much. All right. So I am actually taking part in this fitness challenge, 90 days fitness challenge, and I hope that I can be completely in charge of myself. And I'm inviting each and every one of you to be part of this 90 days fitness challenge. The only criteria is you have to be committed to yourself. It's for your good, it's for your benefit only, not for anybody else. So the only thing that you have to do is that you have to, after your exercise on a daily basis, take a picture or a video of you working out, post it on your social media, let it be Facebook, let it be Insta, let it be LinkedIn, wherever it is you post it, share it on your Facebook, WhatsApp maximum. The only criteria is you have to put a hashtag I am a superhuman. IAMASUPERHUMAN. I am a superhuman. That is the hashtag. So ensure to put the hashtag I am a superhuman and take part in this challenge. And welcome to the superhuman movement. All the best.